Here we have the 2021 Subaru Outback. And this one is in the base trim. Comes in Magnetite Gray metallic on black and gray cloth interior. And it has a 2.5 liter direct injection 4-cylinder engine, made it to a CVT with an 8-speed manual mode. There you've got your standard daytime running lights. Down here, you have your 17-inch aluminum wheels. And here you have your power door locks, power windows, and power mirrors. And there's your driver's seat there. We're just gonna hop back here to check out the rear seat room. And surprisingly, for this to be a station wagon, it's actually really good space. I can fit my knees behind the seat, no problem. And actually, this right here is kind of comfortable if you do need to have your knees in the back of the seat for whatever reason. It's not gonna hurt you. But I have the seat adjusted for me for someone who's 6'3", and I'm sitting behind here, no problem. So you can fit full-size adults back here if you need to. And there's a view of the front from back here. And there's a quick view of the cup holders there. And there's your trunk space there. Pretty good space, of course. And if you ever want to let the seats down, you just go over here and they fold right down. And there's your passenger seat there. And then here is the door trim there. And you also have auto roll down and roll up for the passenger side. Just gonna pop the hood, see what we're working with. And there's the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Gonna hop in here. And there's your steering wheel there. We'll get back to that in a moment. Now over here, you have AM, FM, and XM radio. And there's your standard backup camera. You also have Bluetooth audio. And then on top of that, you have your Apple CarPlay. And then below here, you have your AC controls, which you can toggle from down here, all touchscreen. And then you also can control your driving modes as well. So you can turn the X mode on and off. And then you can mess with your cruise controls. and then your lane departure and your pre-collision. So down here, you have your electronic parking brake. You just pull up to engage, and you push down to disengage. And then you have your shifter here. Just hold this button back here, reverse neutral drive, and you can tap over to use the CVT, or you have paddle shifters here that you can use. And up here in the mirror, you have garage door transmitter. And then we're going to look at the back seat once more with that seat folded down. And then over here, you have your glove compartment. So pretty good space in there. And then I like how they have a little pocket here if your passenger wants to lay their phone down or something. And then over here, you can control your volume. You can go between AM, FM, XM with your source. And you can also toggle your Bluetooth. And then you go through your gauge cluster functions here, as you can see. And then you have your Subaru Eyesight controls over here. So your adaptive cruise, you toggle that. You can adjust the gap. And then your lane departure, you can toggle that on and off, and you can set the cruise controls here. And there is your key right there. And now it's time to go ahead and take the Outback out on the road for a test drive. So I really like how the 2.5 delivers power. It just, especially paired with the CVT, it just does a really good job at staying consistent. You're not having to find a rev point. There's no hesitation between shifts or whatever, because it's just laying that down instantly. With the CVT, just always keeping you on your feet. And so far the ride has been really good, and it's been very quiet within the cabin. Yeah, for it to be such a windy day outside, this car's really done a good job at keeping the wind noise like to a bare minimum. And honestly, I can barely hear the cars passing by me either. So I just let off the auto stop, and it's nice that you can have your AC on, and the auto stop actually kick on. Even though it's 75, 80 degrees out here, the auto stop is still, so far, has been working for me at every single turn, or every single stop, excuse me. Now the Eyesight going on, and it's basically driving by itself for now. And I like the brake pedal feel too. Feels really nice. And I really like how the auto stop just immediately lets up and you don't have any hesitation when you're needing to go. And we're gonna get on the interstate and I'm gonna try out these paddle shifters. So the paddles were very responsive when shifting, and they actually do help in terms of keeping the engine revved high so you can accelerate if you need to do that. And that's the adaptive cruise control slowing the car down, not me. So pretty neat. I'm gonna go ahead and take over now. So very good job by the Subaru Eyesight technology at keeping the car safe and using the cruise control by itself. And I can't say enough about the ride of basically every Subaru I ever drive. Just a really smooth and collected ride. But that's gonna bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Subaru Outback Base.